Hello everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, I will show you how to link your Etsy shop to your Pinterest account. Now, in the past, Pinterest actually allowed other people to claim their Etsy shop. Now, that is just not the case. As you can see, if we go here to our Pinterest account, if we go to settings, we usually had claimed accounts right here, and we usually had an option to basically claim Etsy, right? Now, you can actually not do this anymore because you cannot start claiming Etsy. You can only claim a website right here. So what you can do is you can go to your public profile, and here you can tell a brief story, and here you can put your own link from your Pinterest profile, or from your Etsy store, sorry, on your Pinterest profile. And that's basically the only thing you can do. You can also add a website here, which is your Etsy website. This is also a great way. This is kind of like link in bio, and this is the only way how to link your Etsy shop to Pinterest. Now, I also found this article right here. As you can see, the option to claim your Etsy shop along with your Instagram account and YouTube channel no longer exist. These options were used before, right? And now you only can do claimed accounts, which is, websites and all that. You can still promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest, but in this way as I showed you right here. So that's basically how to link your Etsy shop to Pinterest in 2023. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.